Hey guys, this is Diddy. Just starting to do some Pokemon card openings. Just got back into it. Been watching a lot of Primetime Pokemon, and he's kind of inspired me to start doing my own videos. So I got picked up a few packs today. Got a booster pack of the Heart Gold Soul Silver and Diamond and Pearl Legends Awakened, and also picked up Magnum Tin. Alright, so I'll start by opening the Heart Gold Soul Silver. I'm sorry if I mess up the names here. I haven't been collecting for a few years, since probably in grade 7 or grade 4 or 5 actually, sorry. I'm now 22, just got back into it. I haven't even played any of the newer games. I probably stopped when it was just blue and red out. I don't even know if yellow was out when I was still collecting or not. So sorry if I mess up some names here. Alright, so I got a Paris, a Wooper, Jinx, Growlithe, Energy, Pokeball, Pokemon Reversal, Croconaw, Growlithe Reverse, and an Executor. Alright. Now for the Diamond and Pearl Legends Awakened pack. Alright, I got a Chinchou, Riolu, Oddish, Poochyena, a Skitty, Unknown Watt, Cynthia's Feelings, Pokemon Supporter, Marowak, Reverse Cynthia's Feelings, and a Cradily. Alright, now for the tin. Card on top there, I don't know if you can see it. Magnum there, slow-mo card. There's 4 packs, Heart Gold Soul Silver, a couple packs of those, Platinum, and a Legends Awakened. Start with the Platinum pack. Troubles here. Swablu, Skuntank, Slakoth, Ataros, Electrike, Falafi, a Zangoose, a Silcoon, a Kricketune Reverse, and that's a rare, and Giratina, rare, nice hollow there. To the Legends Awakened pack. I hope it's clear. I haven't actually checked this yet. Never done this before, so hopefully it's alright. A Spoink, a Staryu, Bellsprout, a Tyrogue, a Beldum, a Lucario, a Lantern, Buck's Training Supporter, Uxie Reverse, it's rare, and Azelf. Can't pronounce half of these cards. So I got one more pack after this one. This is the Heart Gold Soul Silver pack. Got a Mareep, Alright, Chansey, a Jinx, Caterpie, Meryl, Delibird, Pokemon Collector Supporter, a Bill Supporter, Tyrogue Reverse, it's a rare, and a Lapras. Alright, so on to the last pack here. Hoping for a bottom half of Lugia Legend. Got the top already. Doesn't look like it's going to happen. Got a Jinx, Growlithe, Energy, Cyndaquil, Chikorita, Pokemon Collector, Miltank, Professor Elm's Training Method, a Magnium Reverse, it's a nice one, and Typhlosion. Alright guys, so that's it for my first video. Hopefully I can put out some more here. And yeah, thanks to Primetime Pokemon for inspiring me with this, and have a great day.